Darlings, discover how to find your beautiful match with Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation. A next-generation foundation for skin that looks beautifully plump and smooth, beautifully hydrated, beautifully radiant, and beautifully matched. It's science plus colour for a beautiful, healthy-looking you. Available in 30 beautiful shades for everyone, everywhere. Let's find your beautiful match together in 3 quick and easy steps. First, which overtone will you choose? Every shade of Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation is divided into one of 4 shade families: fair, medium, tan, and deep. It's easy to choose. Every overtone has a unique number range assigned to it. For example, if you're in the medium shade family, your shade will be between 5 and 8. Next, let's identify your shade undertone. Are you cool, neutral, or warm? If your skin undertone is cool, you have pink, red, or blue undertones. You tend to burn easily in the sun, and the veins on your inner wrist appear blue or purple. If your skin undertone is warm, your skin has yellow, peach, or golden undertones. You tan easily in the sun, and the veins on your wrist appear green. If your skin undertone is neutral, you'll see a combination of warm and cool undertones. You'll tan slightly in the sun, and the veins on your inner wrist appear both blue and green. Darlings, now that we know your skin overtone and undertone, it's time to select your beautiful match. If you've identified your skin overtone as tan, you can decide which shade range you fall in. Are you on the light end of the spectrum, in the middle, or somewhere on the deeper side? Now, darling, just choose your beautiful match. Get beautifully matched with my expert foundation finder on charlottetilbury.com and shop Beautiful Skin Foundation now for the most beautiful, healthy looking you.